Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Tacoma door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a basic screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new replacement door handle. Make sure it's the correct one for your vehicle model. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake before you begin any work. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now let's get to removing the old handle. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. A plastic trim removal tool works best to avoid scratches. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors you find. Next, locate and unscrew the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the handle. Finally, detach the 2 linkage rods from the handle mechanism. They usually just clip off. This frees the old handle for removal. With the old handle out, it's time to install your shiny new one. First, carefully connect the 2 linkage rods to the new handle assembly, ensuring they are securely clipped in. Then, position the new handle and secure it using the 2 or 3 mounting bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect any electrical connectors that attach to the door panel. Before putting everything back together, give the new handle a quick test to ensure it operates smoothly. For our final steps, let's reassemble the door. Carefully align the interior door panel and press it firmly into place, ensuring all clips engage. Reinstall any screws or fasteners that hold the door panel securely. Once the panel is back on, perform a thorough test. Check that the new door handle opens and closes smoothly from both the inside and outside. Also, confirm that the door locks and unlocks correctly. Great job! You've successfully replaced your door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.